Armstrong International, for over 100 years, has been a leading supplier of intelligent system solutions for steam, air, and hot water. In continuing their tradition of hot water solutions, they now offer the most efficient way to heat water with the Flow Direct, direct contact, gas-fired water heater. This unit boasts efficiencies in excess of 99.7% complete UL and ULC certification and NSF approval, assuring the quality of the water for all types of hot water requirements. The heater is designed for applications where large amounts of hot water need to be supplied efficiently and quickly. So let's now take a look at the features and operation of the Armstrong Flow Direct gas-fired water heater. The Flow Direct is a direct contact gas-fired water heater. This means that hot gases come into direct contact with the water. All Flow Directs are made of the heaviest material in the industry. The main structure is made of 3/16 to a 1/4-inch plate stainless steel that will hold up in the harshest environment. You will also notice that the unit is flanged in 2 spots, which allows ease of installation and can be indexed to fit your needs. You can see on the inside of the unit that it is filled with pawl rings. A pawl ring is merely a piece of stainless steel punched and rolled and dumped randomly into the upper section. As water and hot gases pass through these pawl rings, all of the heat is transferred from the gases into the water. A Maxon industrial burner partnered with an all-aluminum Cincinnati industrial blower are mounted on the top of the unit, firing downward into a completely dry and cooled combustion chamber. At the top of the upper section, there is a spray ring with 8 spray nozzles that spray a violent rain of water onto the top of the pawl ring bed. The Flow Direct is a double-pass unit. 4 of the 8 water nozzles spray directly on the outside of the flame tube, scrubbing heat from it while keeping it cool to prevent any thermal stress. The hot gases exit the bottom of the flame tube and pass through the pawl rings and meet this rain of cold water, and all of the heat is scrubbed out and into the water. It is then captured in the lower section and transferred to a storage tank. The float switch tube controls the transfer of hot water into a storage tank. The bottom part of this unit is not a storage tank. It is an area for the hot gases to turn and enter into the pawl ring bed and a place to capture the rain of hot water. Remote or integral storage tanks are available. The unit starts out with an air purge for a minimum of 30 seconds. Once this purge is over, the gas valves are opened, releasing gas into the burner and mixing with the air. At this point, the unit's spark ignites the fuel mixture and begins a low fire burn. The unit will then ramp up to high fire, where it will run as long as there is a demand for water. While starting the unit in manual, all that is required is turning the switch to manual and pushing the start button. To start an automatic, simply turn the switch to automatic. Notice the status lights as the unit proceeds through its sequence of operation. You will notice that while the unit is in operation, the outside of the unit is cool to the touch and quite often sweats. The exhaust of the unit will be very close to ambient temperatures, so CP, VC, or single wall stainless may be used for the exhaust. The Flow Direct is designed to run at high fire. In certain circumstances, we can modulate the burner if it is required. With the flame being direct spark ignited, there is no pilot flame. With that in mind, while the unit is not in operation, there is no fuel being consumed. There's no idle run time, no blowdown, chemicals, and so forth needed. The startup and shutdown of the unit is controlled by float switches while the unit is in automatic. While the unit is in manual mode, the unit is controlled by the operator. The Flow Direct will start up and within 60 seconds be producing hot water. Let's also take a look at some temperatures while the unit is running. Ambient, stack, and water out. Standard features with the unit include an industrial burner and blower, a complete gas train, complete water train, complete control panel with status lights, fault lights, programmable logic controller, transfer pump, and NEMA 4 watertight enclosures. Every unit is completely built and tested before leaving our facility. All units are entirely UL, ULC, and NSF approved. The first question that everyone asks, is the water safe when it comes in direct contact with the gases? The answer is yes. All Flow Direct are NSF, National Sanitation Foundation approved, which means that they are completely safe for any food-grade process application. Basically, the water that comes in is the same water that goes out. NSF has also given us an official 99.7% efficiency rating on all models.
The standard warranty period for the Flow Direct's stainless steel structure and stainless steel internals, flame tube, hull rings, supports, and internal water manifold is 10 years from the date of installation and covers defects in materials and workmanship, including structure wall and internal support burnout and failures. The warranty does not extend to any product that has not been used with clean, non-corrosive water. All other components on the Flow Direct, including valves, combustion equipment, electrical controls, and the burner, shall have a 2-year warranty period from the date of installation.
Since you now have a good understanding of the Flow Direct gas-fired water heater, please visit our website at www.armstrong-intl.com to register for a hot water webinar or a free hot water assessment. Count on Armstrong to have a hot water intelligent system solution for you.